Okay, this is the Filofax A5 punch. It's quite an old one. Notice it's made in England, so that evidences just how old it is. But notwithstanding that, unless the design has changed, this is very, very similar, or possibly hasn't changed at all in the intervening years. And this particular model, which I got because it just happened to be in one of the Filofaxes I bought, and so I thought let's test it, because I've used one of these as a pocket and a personal, but I've not used an A5 one. But they're all more or less the same. They're portable hole punches, and they'll get you out of a situation, no doubt. However, this one doesn't look as if it's got any wear. So let's test it out anyway. So just like all Blue Peter presenters, here's one I prepared earlier. So a piece of A5 cut from an A4 sheet. You have to line up the two half moons here, and it's always a bit of a fiddle with these, but if you just fold it over, and how are we going to do this? We're going to just make sure that those, can you see there, you've got it, all the lines there, is it more or less? No, it's not quite. It's a bit of a fiddle, but we're just going to get the alignment right. Okay, so I think we're there. So sharply press down. Right, let's just check it's still in the same place. It does appear to be, so we can now see what we've got. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another one stuck somewhere, but okay, so here we go. We'll lift it up, and just want to be very careful, because obviously it's not quite as good as a metal one, but it's good enough for this sort of thing, isn't it? So if you look down, it's like pretty good. If we look up through the holes, we can see. If I just get the shadow there, you can see that there's it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but it is what it is. However, there's something I want to show you. This is a standard Filofax piece of stationery, and this is a standard A5 Filofax pad. And if you look at the hole diameter, the Filofax stationery, these are 5mm, but the actual hole punch that they supply, or did supply, because obviously I'm not quite sure whether they've changed it, is actually 6mm. In fact, when I measured it, it came up as 6.2. These are nominally 5mm. These have a diameter of 6.2. Now, if anyone knows why Filofax back in the day thought it was a good idea to do their own stationery as a 5mm diameter hole punch, but their portable hole punch, they chose to use a 6mm. It's definitely 6. Let me check. Yeah, can you see that? It's just over 6. In fact, it is 6.2 there. And yet these holes here are, just to demonstrate. Okay, so let's see what we got. We have got 5. I think it looks like it's 5.1. So 5mm. So that is a mystery to me. What do I know? But personally, I would have thought that this would have been much better off having 5mm holes rather than 6. Okay, so there we go. Nice and short today. Don't want to, no names, no pack drill. And it's not a criticism of Filofax, but it is just one of those mysteries that, who knows. Thank you for watching again. Okay, another review next Thursday afternoon in the UK. And until next time, goodbye.